Once upon a time, King Krishnadev Rai was sitting in court in Vijayanagar. At the same time in the court, a beautiful woman came with a box. In that box, there was a velvet sari. Taking it out, she started showing it to the king and all the courtiers in the court. The sari was so beautiful that whoever saw it was stunned. The woman told the king that she makes such beautiful saris. She has some artisans who with their secret arts weave this sari. She requested the king that if the king gives her some money, she would make a similar sari for him too. King Krishnadev Rai agreed to the woman's request and gave her the money. The woman asked for 1 year's time to prepare the sari. After this, the woman, the sari weaver, along with her artisans, started living in the king's palace and started weaving saris. During this period, all the expenses, including food and drinks, of that woman and the artisans were borne by the palace. Similarly, 1 year passed. Then the king sent his ministers to the woman to see the sari. When the minister went to the artisan, he was surprised to see their 2 artisans were weaving something without any thread or cloth. The woman told that her artisans were weaving saris for the king, but the ministers told that they could not see any saris. On this, the woman said that only those people can see this sari who have a clean mind and have not committed any sin in their life. Hearing this from the woman, the king's ministers became worried. Making an excuse, he told the woman that he had seen the sari and went away from there. Coming back to the king, he said that sari is very beautiful. The king was very happy with this. The next day, he ordered the woman to appear in the court with the sari. The woman came to the court the next day, carrying a box, accompanied by her artisans. She opened the box in the court and started showing the sari to everyone. Everyone sitting in the court was very surprised because none of the courtiers, including the king, could see any sari. Seeing this, Tenali Rama whispered in the king's ear that the woman had lied. She is fooling everyone. After this, Tenali Ram told the lady that he or any of the courtiers sitting in the court could not see this sari. Hearing this from Tenali Ram, the woman said that this sari will be visible only to the one whose mind is clean and has not committed any sin. Hearing this from the woman, Tenali Ram came up with a plan. He said to the woman, "The king wants you to come to the court, wearing that sari yourself, and show that sari to everyone." Hearing these words of Tenali Ram, the woman got upset. Now she had no other option except apologizing. She told the king the truth, that she had not made any sari. She was fooling everyone. Hearing what the woman said, the king became very angry. They sentenced her to prison, but when the woman pleaded, they spared her and forgave her, and let her go. The king also praised Tenali Ram for his cleverness. Moral of the story: lies or deception cannot be hidden for long. One day or the other, the truth comes out in front of everyone.